What's up everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mo. Today I'm going to do a quick video on where the spare tire is located in a Lincoln MKX. This is a 2011 model here, but it will be the same outside with different years. So it's going to be located in the back of the vehicle. As you can see, the back hatch is already open. If you have a mat like this, go ahead and pull it up, and then we're going to see this handle here. Pick that up, and that'll pick this whole lid up. Now our spare tire is going to be under this cover. If you just get at it from the side, it'll just pull out of there just like that. Then there's going to be this retaining nut that's holding the spare tire down. I already have this one loosened up, but you'll just go ahead and spin that off there counterclockwise. And then once you get that out, you can actually pull the spare tire out. And the jack is going to be located in that pouch right there. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.